Welcome, everyone. Today, we're delving into the world of tax-advantaged accounts, essential financial tools designed to help you save and invest with significant tax benefits. These accounts, such as 401(k)s IRAs, both traditional and Roth, health savings accounts, HSAs, and 529 college savings plans, offer unique advantages like tax-deferred or tax-free growth, and in some cases, tax-free withdrawals for qualified expenses. By contributing to these accounts, you can lower your current taxable income, allow your investments to grow more efficiently without annual tax burdens, and strategically plan for retirement, medical expenses, or educational costs. It's crucial to understand the contribution limits, withdrawal rules, and the specific benefits each type offers to make the most of them. Whether you're planning for retirement, saving for healthcare needs, or preparing for your children's education, leveraging tax-advantaged accounts can significantly enhance your financial strategy. Stay tuned for more insights on optimizing your financial health, and don't forget to subscribe for further tips.